If everyone, welcome to the Daily Crypto Vision. I would like to guide you through the markets, and we are seeing that the crypto markets are correcting after zooming higher previous days. Bitcoin is more than 1% lower, actually 1.7%. Ethereum also lower, 1.4%, and XRP 1.8%. It means BTC dominance is ticking down a little bit. That means that the crypto markets are correcting, but the BTC is a little bit correcting more. And if you are taking a look at other alts, I would like to point out that I took some profits in the weekend on BBOD, and and I traded a little bit leverage on CoinFlex with TT Trade Technology platform for the shorter term, but for the longer term I would like to pick some coins up. I see here, for instance, EOS also down 2.3% lower. Cardano 16% higher, actually. Sorry, Tezos is it. Cardano is also lower, 2.4%, 14% again. Tezos 17% was also one of the altcoins of the day. Recently, Monero 4% higher. The privacy coin Stellar also 2.4% lower. Very curious what will happen now, and I would like to pick some BTC up now at this moment, and that means that I would like to buy some for a value of 50 bucks. I would like to pick some up, and the price here is 51.9. 55. I would put it on 53. Market is ticking up, no down. Okay, it's ticking up. I would like to put a buy order first, then show what's happening. Now the market is moving away from me. It's a pity, but maybe there's it will correct a little bit more. Last trade is 92.57. If you take a look at this is a 5-minute chart, and if you take a look at the daily chart, there we can see the very big rise recently into the market is a little bit shaking. Here's the daily chart. 9,600 is the high, so it means that the market wants to go higher. That means that I would like to pick up some coins at this time. Order history, open orders. I don't have any open orders here. Order history. Value 50. I would like to take a look if I put it here. 55. With a little delay, I see 50. XRP. I traded, not really. I took some profit as I stated. 58. Traded now. So it must be. I would like to refresh this. Take a look what's happening, because I'm sure that we are filled at 58, because I saw downticks on the market. And we'd like to pick up a coin as well, an altcoin, and that's Tron. Here is 2.9% lower. A Stellar Lumen 0.06 dollar cents. It's still here. XLM is the ticker symbol. I've got still positions on Stellar, and so I would not buy some more. So I prefer to go for another altcoin. And let's take a look where we can find some. Here it is. Yeah, I will wait for a market here for the alts. It's still loading. It's a pity that it's not showing a market, but doesn't matter. We can see the moving higher of the market, BTC, loading. Loading. Okay, so I would like to pick some BTC up for about 50 bucks. I think that is a nice a point to enter. Buy margin 101. I hope that I can get the fill here, but maybe I have leverage trading. Yeah, this one. Trade history, order history, and I think there is a rejected limit, and why I don't know. But anyway, I would like to go to Ethereum as well, also for 50 bucks, and that is Ethereum. Also for 50 bucks, 188.1. It's a good one, 50. And I'm buying this as well. It's now here on the market. As you can see, 0.3 is a contract. If it's hit soon, then I will get a fill, and I will, of course, will communicate it through the channel of Crypto Academy. Okay, now I would like to go to the BTC USD Tether again. Let's take a look what's happening here. It's zooming higher. Value. Maybe I can put for 25 bucks. Six. And here is the bid as well. 63, 67.3. Yeah, hit. It's been hit. And realized profit 2.1. That's nice. I'll do a refresh. Just take a look what's happening here on BBOD. It was a little bit crazy. Anyway, soon I would like to. Here I have a fill of value of 74 bucks in Bitcoin. That's quite okay, and also Ethereum for 56 bucks value. And I would like to add the coming weeks, days more if I see more opportunities. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Ciao.